grab 4 to 6 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Start by rinsing the chicken breasts and patting them dry with paper towels. Next, season the chicken with a blend of 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and onion powder. Now take a medium bowl and blend together 1 cup of your preferred barbecue sauce, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. For an extra touch of smoky flavor, consider adding 1 teaspoon of optional liquid smoke. Lastly, incorporate a 1/4 cup of chicken broth or water into the mix. With your seasoned chicken breasts and smoky barbecue sauce ready, it's time to assemble everything in the slow cooker. Place the chicken at the bottom and pour the sauce over it, ensuring each piece gets a generous coating. Cover and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or on high for 2 to 3 hours. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.